first smallie. That's a nice first smallie. Man, do they fight hard. And he missed it the first time. I pitched this little 4-inch Senko in there. And he missed it. Tossed it back in there. Man, did he crush it. That was awesome. This thing fights like a 3-pound largemouth. He's kind of got some largemouth looking colors on him, but you can tell he's a smallie because his jaw starts in front of his eyes. He's got a little bit smaller of a mouth. He's been eating a lot, it looks like. But we're gonna go ahead and release him. Man, that's awesome. Feisty little guys. There's another one. Man, these things are cool. Oh, that's a big one. I can barely move the guy. He's pulling me into shore. I don't think I've ever had a fish fight this hard. And I've also never really maneuvered a kayak much. Oh, that's a nice smallie. That's a nice one. I wish I had a scale with it. Look how pretty he is. Or she. Still. That is a beautiful fish. I really wish we had some of these where I live because these are a blast. They fight so much harder than largemouth. But go ahead and get them back. This might be another big one. If I can keep him out of this brush. Get in here. That's a tank. This is a nice smallie. I was snagged for a minute there. He almost got me in a tree. Pretty fish. Man, do they fight hard. I can't believe how hard they fight. They feel heavier than a largemouth. Pretty. Let's get her back. Ooh, that's much better. That's what we're looking for here. Get off that log. And these things will pull you into anything. Oh, that's a nice one. That fish. Football. Alright. I'm gonna get a release on this one. Cast it up by those rocks over here. I was paddling back out. I had my rod laying down, I picked it back up. I had this guy on. I threw Senko up there. Then he got stuck in that tree, and I'm a terrible kayaker. I just started, so I just had to paddle up in there and get him out. But that's a nice smallie. Set the camera down. Nice one. I love these little Senkos.